Hey folks, Father Randall, I'm here with Chris Dunaway, who has generously offered to help us this day as we're going to collect some chicken and hopefully get that cooked up and fed up to folks. Hey Chris, why do you feel moved and motivated to help out with hurricane relief?
Well, I've been really blessed. This is the second hurricane that I've been through. Well, third actually, if you count the one that flew right over the top of us last year.
Zeta, right?
Yes,
right.
exactly.
Like the eye wall and everything.
Yeah, I saw both sides.
Yeah.
Fortunate enough not to have received any major damage. And now I just really feel like I need to take, the blessings I have and send them forth into the community as best I can.
Excellent. Ready to go get some chicken?
Let's go get them.
All right.